I'm Kayleen Davison. I'm the owner of Sure Thing Properties here in Surfside Beach, Texas. We started off with 12 properties, and in looking for a property management software, found Guesty, which allowed us to expand to nearly 40 properties. It allowed us to stop jumping through different systems and stay centralized in one. Since implementing GPO, it's allowed our occupancy to increase, which is directly increasing our revenue. Previously, we weren't priced at the right rate, which caused a dip in occupancy, but now using GPO has allowed us to be priced effectively. Travel protection allows our guests flexibility to cancel their booking should they need to in case of an emergency. While doing that, it allows us to ensure that we are still guaranteed the revenue from that booking. It has also added another stream of passive revenue. Prior to using Guesty Accounting, we were doing everything in an Excel spreadsheet, which was very manual. Now that we've switched, we're able to generate owner statements automatically, just check a few things off and move on. Using GuestyPay is super simple for our business structure. It allows us to generate refunds, process payments as needed, all in one centralized area. We would not be able to be a company today without Guesty. We've grown nearly 180%. Gave us time back, clarity back, and allowed us to focus on growth and the properties rather than administrative tasks.